Hello everyone, this is Irison. Today I'm going to show you guys about new software that I am working on. It's called PNGTuber. Alright, as you can see right now, this is PNGTuber version 1.0. This is the first release of the software and it is really simple to use. Okay, there is select feature which is talking and silence. For example, I will choose another photo for talking and silence. Okay, as you can see, I can change photo with no problem, and the photos light up when I talk, and of course it could be adjusted with mic sensitivity. Perhaps your house is a little bit too loud, so you can lower down the sensitivity so it doesn't pick up the sound if you talk slowly. You need to shout. You can scroll up, scroll down to adjust the scale, and using right click to drag the photo. Alright, and here we got transparent mode, which basically transparent, yeah. Okay, transparent mode is used for recording. So perhaps you want to record a gameplay, right? So you set your icon at the left or perhaps right, like this, and set transparent mode. Now go to OBS. On OBS, you create a new game capture. Let's call this PNGTuber. Enter. So capture specific window and set PNGTuber. Before we hit OK, we need to set allow transparency. Okay. Now as I speak, the photo is lighting up and it's bouncy. Yeah. So yeah, that is PNGTuber. So I hope you guys can try the software because I need feedbacks so I could make the software better. For the future, I might add eye movement for the character based on cursor, and then more animation for talking, for example shaking when I screaming, and perhaps mouth movement and any other things like props. But that's in the bucket list. For now, take it or leave it. Thanks for watching.